To delete your Rocket Money account, follow these steps. Access account settings. Open the Rocket Money app on your smartphone or visit the Rocket Money website. Log into your account using your username and password. Locate account settings. Navigate to the account settings or profile section of the app. Look for options related to account management or deletion. Find Delete Account option. Search for an option to delete or deactivate your account. This may be labeled as Delete Account, Close Account, or similar. Confirm deletion. Click on the Delete Account option and follow any on-screen prompts or instructions to confirm your decision. You may need to provide a reason for deleting your account. Verify deletion. After confirming, verify that your account has been successfully deleted. Log out of the Rocket Money app and close the website. Contact support. If you encounter any issues or have trouble deleting your account, reach out to Rocket Money customer support for assistance. They may be able to help you with the deletion process. Remove app. If you use the Rocket Money app, delete it from your smartphone to remove any remaining data associated with your account.